Good morning, I'm Sharia, and that's my little one, Sandra. It's time to make her breakfast. Here we go. To get the griddle going. Once it's nice and hot, I will get the pancake, sausage, and eggs started. My little pantry shelf, I have all of my flour, sugars, all that up here, noodles. Since we have a box of Bisquick left, I'm going to use the pancake instructions up on the top. So, since we are doing half of the classic pancake instructions, it'll be 1 cup of the Bisquick, half a cup of milk, and 1 egg. Okay, now that the griddle is going behind us, sorry for this light, my window is right here. So we're just going to have a harsh light somewhere across my face. So let's see. 1 cup of the Bisquick. This bag got ripped open very poorly, so it always makes a mess. What did I say, 1 cup? There, get in there. I'm running low on milk, so I'm going to use half a cup of heavy whipping cream, since we're using half of the recipe, and 1 egg instead of 2. Beat it. Mix it with a fork. And this recipe from the Bisquick is for regular pancakes, but since I'm making these for my little one, I'm going to add in chocolate chips off of my baking shelf. Let me mix this up and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we are mixed and it's a smooth consistency, let's go to the baking shelf and find our camera. Griddle is nice and hot. Three little pancake clumps on there. And we'll get a spatula and a baby. Mama's cooking. She's getting impatient. I gotta cook faster. Bye guys. I'm gonna be honest. I burnt the first batch of pancakes. Happens to me almost every time, or they don't come out right. So, now to start a new batch. So, start over. A little bit of butter. Dollop. Alright, I'm going to soak this and get everything else out the breakfast. Okay, got my 2 eggs, got my bacon. Time to get this breakfast finished up. Pancakes are looking okay. Sometimes I'll add salt and pepper, but for the most part, just scramble them up, throw them in the pan with some bacon grease, and they'll taste just fine. Alright. Baby! You're hungry? No hungry? She's getting in the fridge. What do you want out of the fridge? You're thirsty? What do you want? You want some milk? You want milk? Milk? Milk comes from cows. You're right. Here you go. I love you. Is that good? You're welcome. It's tasty, she says. Tasty. Alright, pancakes are done. Let's get her. Sorry, they're not down there. There's one. 1, 2, 3 pancakes. She can't eat all that. I just make enough for today, and then I will freeze whatever she doesn't eat, or I will put a few up to freeze, because I know she can't eat it all. And then I can pop them in the microwave or toaster, heat them up real quick so they're cooked rapid, so I'm not having to mix it all. Do this whole thing again. Hold on a second, honey. I know I grabbed out a spatula, but for some reason I always do everything with a fork. Do you do everything with a fork? If you do, comment below. Because I use a fork for everything. Well, for cooking. If I gotta mix something, I'm gonna go for a fork before I would like a hand mixer or even a whisk. Ooh, bacon. A bacon? Bacon and eggs. Hold you, hold you? Come here. Woo! Look at this. Yeah, but look at this. What is that? Bacon and eggs? Bacon and eggs. And right here, chocolate pancakes. Chocolate pancakes. All right. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Okay, go play. Mommy's going to finish your breakfast, okay? All right, go play. Wanna hold you? Wanna hold you, Mom? Ooh, bacon and eggs. Does this look yummy? Yeah. Chicken is good, but bacon comes from piggies. Piggies. Oops. Let me flung a piece of bacon off. I save it. I save it. I got your bacon. Woohoo! Num num. Smells yummy? Smells yummy. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right, you ready to eat? All right, come on, go get your chair.
What's that?
You want Mama hold you? Hold on, Mommy's gonna get the last bacon off. Mama, mama. Mama. Alright. Since it's morning time, I'm going to let you watch your TV with your little breakfast tray. Okay? You sit down.
Good dog.
Good dogs, yeah. Word world. Before your eyes. It keeps our world together. It's always a surprise. Alright, now that she's set up, let's get yogurt on the plate real quick and take it to her. I used to buy a tub of yogurt from my local Winco. Not sponsored, just shop there for all nothing. What's that good accent I threw in there? I'm from California, no accent, so. Here we go. Yogurt. Alright, thank you guys for watching me cook breakfast for my little one. I know I say breakfast wrong. Breakfast. If you say it wrong too, like, comment, and subscribe for more of me saying breakfast wrong. Bye, you guys. I'll see you next time. You're welcome, baby. I love you.